ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. ओके यानी अगर दो ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर रहेंगे तो उनके एरिया की रेशो उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के स्क्वायर के रेशो के इक्वल रहेगा. ठीक है, ये उसका स्टेटमेंट है. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट गिवन. Okay, given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here those two triangles we took here, ABC and PQR. Those two triangles are similar. Consider AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Then we have to prove that ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. That is AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, we start proof here. We start proof. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Those two triangles are similar triangle. It is given. This is given. Okay. And we know when two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. Okay. And therefore AB upon PQ, here from first two letter AB, from second triangle we take PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Okay, this is we write here corresponding sides of similar triangles and angles are congruent. So angle B is congruent to angle Q. Say this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This is corresponding angle of similar triangles. Okay, corresponding angle of similar triangles. Angle B means this angle is congruent to angle Q. One triangle we need here. Okay, now after that in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Reason from 2. In 2 we already proved it that B is congruent to Q. Okay, and angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ. The reason is each right angle, or each we can write here 90 degree, and therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. The reason is by which test? By AA test. Okay, here two triangles are similar. We got ABD and triangle PQS. Those two triangles are similar, and when two triangles are similar, then by theorem of area of two similar triangles, and therefore by the theorem of therefore here two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. Then we'll take AB upon PQ is equal to, we take second side as AD upon PS. Right, reason here corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, दो triangles अगर similar रहेंगे तो उनके sides कैसे आएंगे? यहाँ पे proportion में आएंगे. कैसे आएंगे? Proportion में आएंगे. AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. Say this is equation number 3. इसको number देंगे equation number 3, and therefore from 1 and 3. अब यहाँ पे थर्ड रेशो BD अपॉन QS, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है अपने को, कहीं भी प्रूफ के अंदर उसका यूज नहीं हो रहा. ओके, सो वी कांट टेक दैट रेशो हियर. ओके, एंड देयरफॉर फ्रॉम 1 and 3 इक्वेशन 1 इज AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन QR इज इक्वल टू AC अपॉन PR. Okay, is equal to, from equation 3, AB upon PQ is also equal to AD upon PS, and therefore AB upon PQ is also here, है ना, and this ratio is equal to these two ratios, so we write that is equal to AD upon PS. Say this is equation number 4. Any doubt in this? No? Okay, now remember that first property of this lesson, that is the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. You remember this property? Okay, so by that property, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of product of their bases. For first triangle ABC, the base is BC and height is AD. Similarly for triangle PQR, the base is QR and the height is PS. Okay, QR into PS. This we can write as BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Okay, that is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS. But from equation 4, AD upon PS, this ratio is equal to AC upon PR, and that is equal to BC upon QR. So that AD upon PS can be replaced by BC upon QR here. So we take here BC upon QR into BC upon QR, that is equal to BC square upon QR square, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. If you replace BC upon QR by AB upon PQ, then you will get AB square upon PQ square, also that is equal to AC square upon PR square. So in this way we have to prove this theorem. Yes, any doubt in this theorem? Very important theorem. एग्जाम के अंदर जो है चांसेस इसके आने के ज्यादा है. समझ में ना, ये एक थ्योरम और बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम, ये दो थ्योरम जो है ये लेसन से इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम है. मैक्सिमम टाइम जो है एग्जाम के अंदर पूछे गए हैं. ठीक है, सो रिमेंबर दिस एग्जाम दिस थ्योरम. ओके, एंड बाय यूजिंग दिस थ्योरम वी हैव टू सॉल्व सम एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4, द लास्ट प्रैक्टिस सेट फ्रॉम दिस लेसन. From practice set 1.4, we'll take first example. The ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Okay, क्या दिया इसके अंदर? Ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles. दो similar triangles के sides की ratio given है 3:5. Then we have to find the ratio of their areas. तो उनके area का ratio क्या रहेगा वो find करना है. Right? So we consider let. अब यहाँ पे रेशो जो गिवन है वो 3:5 गिवन है साइड्स का रेशो. इसका मतलब एक छोटा ट्रायंगल रहेगा और एक बड़ा ट्रायंगल रहेगा. सो लेट द स्मॉल ट्रायंगल बी ट्रायंगल ABC and the large triangle B triangle PQR. Okay, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, this is given. Okay, this is given, and also what is given? The ratio of their corresponding sides. The ratio of their corresponding sides means we consider that ratio as AB upon PQ, that is equal to 3/5. This ratio is also given. The ratio is also given, and therefore by the theorem area of similar triangles, therefore by the theorem of area of similar triangles we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Okay, that we can write as AB upon PQ bracket square. Okay, that is equal to AB upon PQ. This value is given, that is 3/5. So we write that value 3/5 bracket square is equal to 3 square is 9 upon 5 square is 25, and therefore the ratio of their areas is 9:25. Okay, in this way we have to solve this example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay, come to next example. Similarly you have to solve second and third example, same you have to solve here. Okay, we'll take next one. Triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR, 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Okay, if QR is equal to 20, if QR is equal to 20, then find MN. Then find MN. Find MN. Okay, so here solution. Since 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN, that is given. Okay, therefore 9 upon 16, this 16 get divided here, is equal to area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. Okay, say this is equation number 1. Now since triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR, therefore by the theorem of area of similar triangles, area of similar triangles, we have area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, now one side we have to find and one side is given, right, corresponding side. So here from first triangle MN side we have to find, so we will take MN square upon second side it is QR square. Now area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR, that ratio is from equation 1, that ratio is equal to 9 upon 16. So we put that value here, 9 upon 16 is equal to MN square upon QR square. But what is QR? QR is given, that is 20. So we put that value 20 here, 20 square. Okay, now 9 is a perfect square, 16 is also perfect square, MN square is there and 20 square is there. That means all these quantities are square quantities. To remove that square, taking square root. So you will get square root of 9, that is 3, upon square root of 16, that is 4, is equal to, here it is MN upon square root of 20 is 20. Okay, now this 3 upon 4, this 20 is in division, on left hand side it comes in the multiplication, is equal to MN. 4 1s are 4 5s are, and therefore MN is equal to 3 5s are 15, and therefore MN is equal to 15. In this way you have to solve this example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay.